So Ado, where are we heading now? To bed watching. So we are at the house area at Varama on Ranongga Island, and we are now see what binoculars try looking. Yes. So we are going to do some bed watching and see if we can find some beds. It's the first Sabbath of the new year 2026, and we are wanting to go and do some nature walk and try to look at some birds and look at how they interact with nature and listen to their calls like that. So come along as we do some bird watch. Okay. Hey, how you like coming to me? Yeah? Go back house.
But follow come here. That is fine.
Boy. What can bed straight na binta looking. So now Adonai is trying to look and see if we heard some noise of a bird, but it stopped to call, but we hope that we can spot it. So Adonai is currently trying to scan the forest canopy to see if the bird is still there. And as you can see down there, it's the creek. I'll go there in a moment, but right now we have a lot of mosquitoes around here, but we'll see if we can get some clear views of the creek. Yeah. And what else? What do you expect to see at the creek? The wild
Duck.
The wild ducks. Did you spot a bird or no?
No.
No. Okay, we'll continue. Yeah. All right, let's go. We heard some noise, but we are not too sure what bird it was, sorry, but we hope that we'll spot some around here. There's some bigger trees out here, so we'll see if we can get some to see. Try waiting bimilisi. We have to be stealth because wild ducks, we saw some Pacific black duck, or commonly known as wild ducks, out here. They're at the creek, inside the creek. So Adonai is trying to see if she can spot some. Can you see those wild ducks? Adonia's got her first glimpse of the Pacific black duck. There's two of them in there. So they are male and female, Ado. So they go in pairs. The ducks, the Pacific black duck normally go in pairs. So they're in the creek. Adonai is trying to look in the binoculars to really get a closer look at them. See there. So this is the creek. It's a pool of water that's temporary. When it rains a lot, this is how it gets. It's filled up, and we have a small ecosystem out here where we can see some birds. There's dragonflies.
Male,
Yeah.
Male one I go first.
Female behind. Can you see the green spot at the breast of the bed? There's like a green patch at the breast. That signifies a male. That's the difference between the male and the female. We'll go to the bed book and we'll see. So Adonai, so far how you enjoy? But what keeps disturbing us? Mosquitoes? See, there's mosquitoes. You hardly see them, but there's heaps of them out here. But this is a cool place to have some bird watching activity for kids because there's a little ecosystem, little area environment here where we still have some birds around, and we also have good trees, canopy. There's some wild cut nuts out here as well. Oh, they are gone now. Oh, there's willy wagtail, piticole, the willy wagtail. So, as I've said, that's the creek, Ado. Can you go and touch it? Can you go and feel the, see? Just rainy water. There's heaps of dragonflies out here. Yeah, Ado? So Ado is enjoying the moment, enjoying the time out here. The black ducks, they went in there. They went in there. Huh?
There's lots of feathers.
See, there's heaps of frogs. Toads, cane toad, the ones that jump.
Baby ones.
Baby ones. So the ducks, they went in there under those canopy, under those shade, so we can't spot them now, but Adonia's got some good views of them today. All right, so now we are leaving this creek, little creek, and we are heading to the beach side of the area. Okay, Adonia. Go ano dito sen.
Go which one?
Yeah, so. Come sir, Ado, come sir. No. So far we've seen how many birds are there? 4. We've seen 4 birds. The olive-backed sunbird, the Pacific black duck, the willy wagtail, and one of the beach birds. Unfortunately, we don't have photos, but we actually saw them, and now we are following a loop trail on the coast, just right on the beach. You can see the sea there, and we are heading back to the house. We have some people here. Mita ado dream small bed watch no ma around no. Okay. Rod bita follow na this one. Ilag continue go same.
Go how na beta follow. The same.
Go same. But kosap na.
I don't see.
That's a
Osenoma.
parrot. That's the red one you saw yesterday. Cardinal lorry. Okay. So at least we've seen that one.
The
Cardinal lorry. It's a parrot, but the name is it's from the lorry group.
lorry.
Yeah, lorry. Lory. That's the spelling. This is one place where you can hear bird calls as well. So we'll try and take like a 3-minute stop here and see if we can hear some bird calls out here. There's a fruit dove calling. There's a superb fruit dove. Yeah, there. Yeah. Wow, it's my first time here. There.
As you can see,
That's it.
ring them sometimes after I'm cousin.
It's somewhere here. It's here. Come. Come, sir, come, sir, come, sir. Ado. Stop. The bird calls from up there.
Yung kalawat eh.
Hopefully it's not that. But narrow down it yet. Have not. What? You ask him what ni siya ba? Hem kalawat? Hem kalawat. Hem kala green din hem garin yellow lo yablem. Hem. The bird still calling. But see? Hem na bedlo. Those are what do you call them? Wimbrel. They are more similar to those sandpipers, but they are quite big with bent bill. We are trying to see if we can spot the fruit dove, superb fruit dove, through the binoculars. So we tried to spot it, but it flew away. It's a quite disturbed area, so but at least Adonia hears the call. Yeah, so it flew away to those branches down that way. Yeah, so now we will head back to the house. We'll head back to the house and look at the book, the bird book, to see the birds that we just hear or we just saw them from the distance. All right, let's go. So where's the bird book? There. No? There. Underneath lo there. No ma. Lo envelope ya? Under that book. Okay. Sit there. So that's the bird book. The bird book of Melanesia. Birds of Melanesia. That's where we'll try and identify the birds that you see. So now we'll try.
Wild duck? Ang fly na tayo ma. They can go back to Masa.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, wait, we find
Ado.
him. Him.
This is the bird you saw.
Bird or duck?
This one. This is the duck that we saw at the creek.
Pacific black.
It's
duck.
the Pacific black duck. This one. You can read the
53 centimeter,
Long.
large blackish dark, mottled
dark brown
with distinct dark brown and puff stripes on face. In flight, green speculum and white underwing, gray bill and dirty yellow legs and feet. Doubled in fresh water, including tiny patches of water in forest and sometimes mangroves and coast. Usually the commonest duck.
So it means that duck is the most common out here in the Solomon Islands. See, when it's in flight, you can see that green. That's where it says here, in flight, green speculum. This is the speculum. See, the green part here, that's the speculum. These are some of the birds, but the cassowary is not here with us. Like it's not found in the Solomons, but we do have the Melanesian megapod. This one
and this one.
So now we'll try and see if we can. This is the wimbrel. See, this one here. This one. The Numenius pythias. But we just had it call inside the
big,
water. Yeah, and big one.
Bisa klalo tree.
No, can stay on the coast or same about the side sea. So this is the one that we had, the superb fruit dove, but we somehow it flew away, but we could have get a good glimpse of it through these binoculars, but at least we had the call. So that's the olive-backed sunbird, the most common bird around at the house. Yeah, Ado, it can hover on flowers because it eats the sugar, the honey from the
nest bota.
Hemsa make a nest. Hemsa weaving.
Strong
nest. So that's the olive-backed sunbird. It grows to around 11 centimeters. That's it. So we are looking at the bird book to identify all the birds that we saw today or hear today. Okay, so now we are looking at the Bible text for today.
Singing starling too,
Yeah. Yes. There's a singing starling.
Time small,
Yeah. So we have to look at Matthew 5. Matthew 5 verses Matthew 5 verses, or is it Matthew 6? So the Bible verse is Matthew 6 verses Matthew 6 verses 25, but the title is God and Possessions. It says Matthew 6:25, this is why I tell you, you do not be worried about the food and drink you need in order to stay alive, or about clothes for your body. We follow, After all, isn't life worth more than food? And isn't the body worth more than clothes? Look at the birds. They do not plant seeds, gather a harvest, and put it in barns, yet your Father in heaven takes care of them. Aren't you worth much more than birds? Can any of you live a bit longer by worrying about it? Look him. Then him say, why worry about clothes? Look how the wildflowers grow. They do not work or make clothes for themselves. But I tell you that not even King Solomon with all his wealth had clothes as beautiful as one of these flowers. Okay? So it tells us that nature is beautiful and God creates everything under his handiwork. So we don't need to worry because God creates us, and he will provide for us just as he provides for the birds and the plants in the field. So that is the end of our birdwatch and nature walk for today. We saw some birds, we listed some birds. We have olive-backed sunbird, we have pigeon. So this is our list of birds here. As you can see, these are list of birds we've seen and heard, and it's been wonderful. Yeah, Ado, do you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes, Ando did enjoy and learn some good things today. And we also have a Bible text that's found in Matthew 6 verse 25 that we linked.
26.
Yeah, sorry, verse 26, 27. It says, do not worry, because God is always with us, and He will take care of us just as He does to the birds, to the plants, and the food. Yes. Yep. So, bye everyone. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye.